What's up, you guys? Random Jaguar here, and today I got these headphones by Monster. They're DNA on-ear headphones. Now let's go to the side. Noise isolating on-ear design. Got the brand right there, Monster. The microphone, cable, I think, for Apple. Pure Monster sound. That's what's up. Wait, let me see. Pure Monster sound. There we go. Go to the back. Your tracks, your sound, your style, your DNA. Sure. Okay, this thing's blocking it, so you can't see it. This is your Pure Monster sound. DNA should say stylish and comfortable. Crystal clear calls, tangle free cables. Then right here, got the nice color right there. This is the white tail color. Really nice. Well, okay then, let's get started. Oh yeah, if you guys want to purchase these, the link will be down below. And these do retail for I think $80 or $70. I don't know. Because there's a lot of different prices out there. It depends on the color, but you guys should check it out. Okay, box feels really nice. Okay, yep, I was right. Stylish. Okay. Alright guys, let me ask you something. I used to own these back then, but they were in black. But I sold them. But somehow I just got these. Oh yeah, don't forget to follow Monster on social media. Alright, let's do this. Ooh, we got the DNA logo right there. Nice. And now, let's see. Whoops. Fabric. Damn. Oh. Cam protection. Nice. Look at these. Damn. Look at that. DNA, Monster, then of course DNA to get the logo. Man, these are nice. Oh, okay then. Let's put it to the side. Now, let's see here. Oh.
Got the cables here. Can't rely on open them.
This. Whoa, shit. Got the cleaning cloth. There's no logo, but who cares? It's nice anyway. Got the cables. These are tangle free. It's the microphone cable, I believe. Can't see it from the plastic. Yeah, I can't tell. Well, alright. Something else here. Oh shit, the carrying case. Alright. Ooh. Damn, DNA Monster. These are on the go, so you could travel or go out, whatever you guys do. Man, this is nice. Well, alright then. Now for the sound test. Okay, you guys. You can put the cable on both sides. Like which one's comfortable with you. So I like mine on the left side. So okay. You're tangled free. Sure. It's pretty good. Alright, now for a sound test. Okay, these how they look like. Sides. They're really comfortable. Man, I kind of miss these. Alright, I can't hear shit, so Pick a song. Let's go. Let's do it 50%. Have some Tory Lanez. Love. 50%. Let's go to 55. Let's go to 60. The bass is heavy, just the way I like it. $65%. Okay, they're really loud, so do not put these in 70% at all, or to 100 because you will go deaf. But look at them, damn, they're nice. Shit, they're nice. Oh yeah, let me ask you guys something. For those of you who want to get Beats, don't buy them. I don't recommend you guys Beats. I hate them. I know you guys just say, how come? They're cool. I like the style and the color, that's about it. But the thing is, they're too pricey, and plus I saw the news that each pair of the parts of the Beats are like a penny each. That's what I heard. And plus they break really easy because I used to own a pair back then. And I had them for 3 months, I think. Can't remember. And one side just popped. And me usually I always take care of my stuff, but they just like popped. And then I bought some of the ones like these kind, and they didn't work either. Then I saw in the news that this kid did a test on them. He just bent them like this, and suddenly they just snapped. And they were made of cheap plastic. So, and plus the sound was horrible anyway. Bad bass, bad sound, and plus you could go deaf. These, you guys, I recommend you. Instead of paying like $150 or whatever on Beats, you can spend $80 or $60 on these. These are the Monster ones. I love Monster. Bass is heavy, sound is clear, and they're really loud too. So do not put these in 70% or more. 50% is okay. Or 55. So you guys work out in the gym. These are the right headphones for you guys. They're not wireless, but they're worth it. Can't wait to see these tomorrow. Well, oh yeah, by the way, you guys, no one can hear your music while you're like listening to your music on the Monster headphones. So no one can hear them. They're loud, but people don't hear them, so that's a good thing. So for those of you who are like looking for those type of headphones, get the Monster ones. The link will be down below. Plus they're cheaper anyway, and they're better than Beats, trust me. But to me, Monster's first, second is Remoda, third is Soul Republic, and fourth is Sennheiser to me. Fifth, I don't know, but I know there's a lot of Tesla brands out there, but it's your choice. I don't know about Bose. Bose too expensive, but I cannot afford those types. Alright guys, that'll be it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, whatever, do all that shit. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.